Hi, fourth graders. Happy Tuesday. Today we're going to be doing Module 1, Lesson 11, and we're going to be adding numbers using the standard algorithm, and the most important thing is that you keep your place value lined up. So ones need to be lined up with the ones, tens need to be lined up with the tens, hundreds, and thousands need to be lined up. All right, so here's our first problem. We're going to do A. Alright, so you're going to want to add the 1. So 1 plus 8 is 9. And 1 plus 6 is 7. And 3 plus 2 is 5. And 6 plus nothing is 6. So your answer is 6,579. All right, I want you to do E by yourself. You're going to be doing E by yourself. All right, so you should have added the ones first, which is 7. Then you should be adding the tens, which is 10. And in Eureka Math, they actually have you add the extra 100 right on the line there. So if you're more comfortable putting it up here, that's up to you. All right, so then you're going to add 3 plus 4 plus 1, which is 8. And then 8 plus 2 is 10. All right, so your answer is 10,807. All right, we're going to go ahead and do the one right next to it, which is F. So go ahead and do that one by yourself. All right, so let's check it. 8 plus 3 is 11. You know, and my pencil is such a small, so I'm just going to add the one up here for today, which is 11. 7 plus 1 is 8, plus 6 is 14. 3 plus 1 is 4, plus 4 is 8. 5 plus 2 is 7. And then 1 plus 0 is 1. So your answer is 17,841. All right, let's go ahead and go to the next page, and we are going to be doing H. So we have, go ahead and do that one on your own. All right, let's correct it. 8 plus 0 is 8. 9 plus 4 is 13. And 6 plus 1 plus 8 is 15. 4 plus 1 plus 1 is 6. And 7 plus 3, or 3 plus 7, is 10. So your answer is 106,538. All right. And then down here, let's do K. And K is a little bit tricky because they don't have it written vertically, they have it written horizontally. So you are going to have to write the number vertically. So what I like to do is I like to start with the largest number, which is 200. I'm going to do it over here. 241,457. All right, I'm going to put a check mark. I did that one. Then I'm going to go the 38,193. You really want to make sure that your ones are lined up with ones and so forth. And the last number you're going to write is 6 38,376. We're adding those. So go ahead and write that down. And then go ahead and solve it, and we will correct it. All right, so you have 7 plus 3 plus 6. 16. Again, I added the little one down there, but feel free to add it up the top. Add it at the top. And then we have 9 plus 7 plus 5. 22. Okay. Then 3 plus 1, 3 plus 2 plus 1 plus 4, or 4 plus 1 plus 3 plus 2. 10. And then 6 plus 1 plus 8 plus 1, which is 16. And then 4 plus 3 plus 1 is 8. And 2 plus 0 is 2. Okay, so your answer should be 286,026. All right, let's go to the next problem. I need to make that a little bit bigger. All right, so here you must do the RDW process. So read it, draw it, and then write a sentence. Okay, and you must draw a tape diagram, which you're all familiar with from your previous grades. All right, so in September, Liberty Elementary School collected 32,537 cans for a fundraiser. In October, they collected 207,493 cans. How many cans were collected during September? Oopsie. September and October. All right, so the first thing we're going to do is we are going to draw a tape diagram. Okay, so this, my friends, is going to be the cans they collected in September. So I'm going to put a little S in there, and I'm going to label this what they collected in September, which is 32,537. And we're going to make this one a little larger. And this is what they collected in October. So I'm going to draw a line like that, and I'm going to label it 207,492. And we want to find the total for this whole thing, so I'm going to label it C for cans, and I'm going over the problem, but that's okay. So now it says how many cans were collected during September and October, so that tells us what? You're going to have to add them up. So go ahead and do that. Write the problem vertically. All right, so check your work. All right, that's 7. And I always like to start with the largest number. And then 32,537. All right, and we're going to add the ones first. All right, 7 plus 2 is 9. 9 plus 3 is 12. 4 plus 5 plus 1, so 4 plus 1 is 5, then 5 plus 5 is 10. 7 plus 2 plus 1 is also 10. 0 plus 3 plus 1 is 4. and then 2 plus 0 is 2. So you have 240,029 cans. So then you would write, and because I'm writing on a computer, I'm not going to be able to write this very neatly, but you would say 240,029 cans were in September and October, and I'm really sorry that this is very messy. Alright, you got it. Okay. Let's just erase that. Alrighty. Alright, and then the last one I would like you to do is number 4. So go ahead and do that one by yourself. See if you guys can do that by yourself, and then we will correct it. And don't forget your tape diagram. Alright. On Saturday night, 23,748 people attended the concert. On Sunday, 7,570 more people attended the concert than on Saturday. How many people attended the concert on Sunday? Alrighty. So let's break this down. We want to know how many more people attended the concert on Sunday, or how many people attended the concert on Sunday. Alright, so we want to first say that on Saturday, okay, so this is Saturday, and this is 23,748 people. And then on Sunday, this is 7,570. Okay. Actually, that is not Sunday. What we're figuring out is all of this is going to be Sunday. Because Saturday plus this number is going to give you Sunday. Okay? So, we are going to now add that, which is 23,748 plus 7,570. And we're making sure that we're lining everything up. That's a 3. Alright, let me check my math. I have 31,318 people attended the concert on Sunday. So you would want to write a sentence, which I'm not going to do because I'm writing on a computer. Alright, so that is it for problem set 11, module 1. Make sure you do the other problems for extra practice, but those are the ones I wanted you to do with me. Alrighty, so have a good rest of your day.